She is none other than Miss Generous Piranya. She is 15 years old. She is the only daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Piranya. She lives in Purok Maligaya, Kaminawit, San Jose Occidental, Mindoro. She is now a fourth-year student of Occidental Mindoro State College, Kaminawit. She believes in saying, if others can do, why can't I? Our candidate number 3, none other than Miss Generous Piranya. Now, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our candidate number 4.